Hey guys, how's it going? Chris from Central Pennsylvania Reviews. Today I'm going to try something a little different here. I enjoy to cook a lot, and what I want to do is teach you guys how to make a Mickey D's steak, egg, and cheese bagel because I think they're freaking delicious. So if you want to learn and taste some delicious food, it's super simple. You got to pick up a few products at your store. I'll go over that as the video progresses. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoy, and this stuff is awesome, so enjoy. Okay, so first things first, we are going to want to preheat our skillet. I'm using a red copper pan. Mine's losing its copperness, or whatever it is that makes it super freaking awesome. So I am going to want to apply some cooking spray so that my steak and onions do not stick to the pan, and that will be the first thing we're cooking. So you definitely want to grease your pan. I use the steaks that actually look like the steaks. You can get these at pretty much any grocery store. You put these in. They actually look like the McDonald's steakums that they put on the steak, egg, and cheese bagels at McDonald's. Next, you're going to want to generously put some Montreal steak, but this smoky Montreal steak seasoning. You're going to put that on top of the steak. That'll give them a little bit of flavor. It's pretty good. And now we're going to apply onions. You can just throw them anywhere in there, and they will saute with the steaks as the steaks start to cook. We're going to whip up 4 eggs. This recipe yields 4, by the way, 4 sandwiches. You do want to make sure that you really mix these well, get nice fluffy eggs. And it looks like it's about time for me to flip my steaks. And when I flip these back over, I always do reapply a little bit more of the Montreal steak seasoning. And this is a multitasking process, so during this time you are going to want to put your bagels down as you're cooking. And make sure you have your toaster turned up so that your bagels actually get toasted. Again, applying grease to the pan. Do not want your eggs to stick. Now the next part, and this is the most important part, and I usually eyeball this. However, you do not have to follow my instruction, make it to taste. But you want to get some creamy dill mustard. I'm using Engelhofer creamy dill mustard with lemon capers. It's absolutely delicious. I usually just take a squirt. Maybe just a little bit more. And then a little bit of mayonnaise. Probably 3 dollops of mayonnaise. The recipe I followed just said mayonnaise and creamy dill mustard. However, I do something just a little bit different. I put almost equal parts of ranch on top. And it tastes almost spot on to McDonald's secret breakfast sauce. This is the most important part of the whole process. This is what will make your sandwich taste like McDonald's. Needs just a tad bit more mustard. We're going to add our eggs while I finish that up. There we go. This is really something though, and you will be a hero in your household if you're cooking this for anyone else. And you have saved yourself a whole bunch of money, because 4 bagel sandwiches will cost you about $20 if you just get the sandwich. And this all cost me about 12 to 15, and I can make way more than 4. cut the heat to my eggs, pull them off and leave them sit. Got one more bagel to go down. If you end up with a little bit of grease in here, you probably want to drain that. While we're waiting for our steaks to cook, I am going to cut these eggs up into fours. Close enough. I'm going to apply a generous coat of the breakfast sauce onto the bagel. I just use a spoon because it's easy. Next, you're going to want to apply 2 slices of cheese, one to either side of the bagel. And you'll do that on all your sandwiches. Now we're going to put eggs on our sandwich. Okay. So there you have it. A Mickey D's steak, egg, and cheese breakfast bagel. And this thing kicks ass, let me tell you. Wait. How is that? Tastes like Mickey D's? Cool. Alright, I'm glad you approve.